Hello, this is Tony Tornado and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe with those notifications turned on for all the latest content. And make sure you subscribe to the website via email for all the exclusive content from TonyTornado.org. First video out and about with the GoE Pro. Yay! And Manfa.
Yay.
Yay. I can't wait to see what this looks like when we go to edit. This is so cool. I have a good 57 minutes on this little micro SD too, which is actually kind of cool. I didn't think that it would even hold that much space. Such a small little thing.
Put the fucking directions up now, okay?
Mom, I know where to go. Right down Tropicana. So yeah, we're on our way driving. There's the Palms Hotel.
Hey, that is nice.
Isn't it?
Just not seeing it, yeah.
Well, I said
That is nice.
I know you're laughing about me with my GoPro. This is a nice GoPro, man. It's real nice. It's the newest one.
What is it? It's 4K, huh?
Yeah, it does 4K. Very low resolution 4K, but it still does.
Tony's got his little...
Yay.
Yes, yay.
Please, whatever that sign said.
Help. Please help.
Freaking trash truck coming in front. This is
Urban Street.
urban.
That's what Stevie Nicks sings about.
There's the indoor kart racing I still want to go do.
Yeah, remember we passed this before.
Pole position. Pretty sure I've been to that one in California. Pole position. Oh, that's something new that I didn't know. Samantha, if your screen will actually turn off while you're recording. Did not know that. Thing is awesome. I love the GoPro, Mantha. Yay. Yay. Yeah, but probably we're over here at the Orleans Arena. I have a feeling it's, yeah, see the arrows are pointing. I have a feeling it's over by the front. Yeah. I probably needed my sunglasses today because the sun is beating down pretty hard even though it's cold. I left them in my car though. Manfa. I'm really interested to see how this GoPro looks as far as quality when we do the editing. Zippy, are you excited? She's like excited. Go see the Sesame Street show. Yeah. Hey Manfa, you look baked. At least we're matching dew. We're matching dew. We're in some matching dew. Yeah, they do. Nobody ever comes over here. You can see the strip's way over there. Nobody ever really comes over this way. I'm surprised they're still here, really. That's what Sydney wants to go see, is the Sesame Street show. So we're taking her over there. Manfa. Yay. So it's over at gate A.
Oh, cool.
The hell? You found a Pokemon tag?
I'm taking that.
Oh, look at that. Is that a crow? What is that? That's a crow. Believe. Come on. You know, Father Time over here can't decide where he's going. And I guess we'll just go drive around when Sydney goes in for the show.
Yeah.
We are in Yeah, I know. I haven't been here in 2 years. Orleans, right, Mantha? Buffet.
Yeah, you ready?
She's like, what? What?
She's like, I'm gonna get a successful story. Tony, I'm right there by the floor, so she's really gonna have.
I know.
She's gonna be going off. You see how tall that escalator is?
I know. Have fun, because we ain't going up there, right? Yeah, that's only for admission. So, Mantha, it's up to you if you want to like walk around here, or do you want to go to the car and drive somewhere?
We can do either or, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We know where to park, so just park and we'll get something to eat if you guys want it.
Yeah.